Today I'm going to fix a pedal on a Fazioli grand piano. Hello, my name is Davíð. I'm going to a music school close to Reykjavík. There's a little traffic on the way. I'm going to fix a pedal on a Fazioli grand piano. Pedal here is a little loose, and here it is. This is unused. The pedal is a little loose and it's not working well, and there's some extra sound in the pedal. So I have to take the pedal away from the piano and open it and find out what's wrong inside. When I opened the pedal from inside, I saw that the one pin was broken, so I have to change that pin and fix and fit new one into it and put it together. Okay, this part here is broken. So, this is the problem. This here is broken. I'm dirty. I'm finding out now how I can take it out. There I have a little problem. This here is broken, was in the middle of the pedal, and this fall off. I have the same thing in my tool bag, but I have to cut it down. Here, and put it a new one in here. Luckily, my friend's workshop is not far away from here, so he is gonna help me to cut it down. Here in Reykjavík, there's a very short distance to everywhere, so it's not going to take a long time to drive there. Come with me and let's go to my friend's garage. Góðan daginn, Falcon. Góðan dag. Ég datt mig. Aldrei nefnt þetta, bara kafta á þessa mynda hér, sko. Já, bara svona eins og, bara taka þetta. Þetta er bara lengdin, það er ekkert alveg upp á broti millimetra þegar þetta fer inn í bara síðan. Okay. Here in Iceland, We are well connected, we know a lot of people everywhere, and we try to help each other if we can. Yes, it's done. I have it. Follow me to the music school again, and I'm gonna put the pedals together. Now I have the things here. I got the old one and the new one. This is a broken one, so I have to take this away and put this one here inside. Usually when I'm working for my clients in the pianos, at homes or in music school, I try to fix the problems where I am in the school or at home, because it takes a lot of time to take the things with me to my workshop and go back again. If I can do it where I'm working, I try to do it. If not, I just have to go to the garage and save money and time for my clients. And I'm gonna take this one. I have to take this one out. So this bolt was little tight there. I took it off and put some wax on it, and it was going smooth into the place I'm gonna place it. I have been having this for 38 years, the wax. Still good. It's not drying. Some grease from deer. Hirschtalg in German. To clean my hands. Sometimes the bolts in the wood we use some bee wax. You can use that. So this is done here. Now I have have to put it into the... It's time to put it together, shine it a little before I put it under the grand piano. So everything here has to be in right position, so it's working well. No extra sound or nothing else. Can you see it? Put it here. Here. Hold it. And now I'm going to check if the pedals are working well, no extra sound, and find out how my work was. Pedal here is a little loose, and here it is. Fazioli pedal work done. So everything is working well and I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you. Bye bye.